Our story begins on a beautiful sunny morning. Lucy wakes up early. She is always happy.
Good morning, son. Today is a great day.
Lucy makes her bed. Her room is very clean.
Everything is shiny and new.
But in the next room, Luka is still sleeping. His room is very messy.
Luka, time to get up.
Oh no, I am tired. 5 more minutes, Mom.
You will be late for school, Luka. Please wake up.
Fine.
Lucy goes to the bathroom. She washes her hands with soap. Luka runs into the bathroom. He is in a hurry. Luka does not wash his hands. He forgets to turn off the water.
Breakfast is ready, everyone.
Good morning, Anna. The breakfast smells wonderful.
Thank you, David.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Lucy. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. Thank you. This food looks delicious.
Luka, here is your breakfast.
I don't want this. I want something else.
Luka, Mom cooked this for you. Please be polite and eat it.
Thank you for breakfast, Mom. Here is my plate.
You are welcome, Lucy. Thank you for helping.
Luka, please take your plate to the kitchen. I will do it later, Mom. I am busy.
Luka, that is bad manners. You must be responsible. This is really very bad manner of Luka.
What should we do? Luka, have a nice day. Don't forget your lunch. Okay.
Bye. Bye, Mom. Have a wonderful day.
Be kind and help others.
Good morning, Mrs. Barnes.
Good morning, sweet Lucy. Have a wonderful day at school.
Luka, look at the trash. Please pick it up.
I don't care.
That is not good manners. Pick it up, please.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Green.
Today, we will talk about magic words. Who knows a magic word?
I know. Thank you is a magic word.
Excellent, Lucy. Thank you and please show respect. Let's practice. Lucy, please give these notebooks to your friends.
Yes, Mrs. Green. Here is your notebook, Mary. Thank you, Lucy. You're welcome.
Here is your notebook, Luka. Luka, did you forget something? What do we say when someone helps us?
Oh. Thank you, Lucy. You're welcome, Luka.
Very good, Luka. Remember, one kind word can make someone's day better.
Luka smiles. He feels good when Mrs. Brown says very good.
Luka, can you pass the ball, please? No, it is my ball now.
But then Luka remembers the magic words. He remembers how to be kind.
Wait, games are more fun together. Here you go. Wow, thank you, Luka.
Luka feels very happy. Being kind is fun.
Look, Luka, whose wallet is this? Let me see. Wow, there is money inside. Maybe someone dropped it. What will you do, Luka? We should not keep it. Let's give it to Mrs. Green. Good choice, Luka. Let's go. Mrs. Brown, we found this wallet on the grass.
Thank you for bringing it here, Luka. Luka, you made a very honest choice today. I am proud of you. Today, I am giving 2 stars of kindness. The first star goes to Lucy. She is always polite and kind.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Green.
And the second star goes to Luka.
Me? Really?
Yes, Luka. Today, you shared your ball, and you returned the lost wallet. You showed honesty and respect. Here is your plate, Luka.
Thank you, Mom. It looks delicious. I will wash my plate now. Let me help you, Mom.
Wow. Good job, Luka. We are so proud of you.
Luka learns that good manners make everyone happy.